This area that locals call downtown Apalachicola looks like a ghost town as residents were quick to prepare and then get out. And though this coastal community is no stranger to hurricanes, they tell us that Helene is a strong storm they are not taking lightly. We could count on one hand the amount of people we saw in the usually crowded downtown area. Crews were out here boarding up doors and windows with plywood, protecting businesses. Cars could also be seen leaving town. Locals tell us they actually began preparations as early as Monday. They tell us they know exactly what to do in this situation because they've been through it so many times.
Making sure that all the windows and doors are secured and nothing can go through them.
We're definitely cautious. We want people to remain calm, don't panic, get the correct information, make sure you get your information from valid sources. And make your decisions. Today is today. This is it. Make your decisions today. Evacuate.
Here in Franklin County, mandatory evacuations are underway for the entire coastal county. Something to note, when evacuation orders are implemented, that means when wind speeds reach sustained levels of 40 miles per hour, all emergency medical services are stopped due to safety concerns regarding ambulance dispatch and high winds. And right now, Helene is forecasted to make landfall with wind speeds more than 115 miles per hour. That's why all residents here are urged to leave now. The big message here: now is the time to evacuate. Know your plan and have a hurricane kit. Now, EOC officials say that should include non-perishable food items, lots of water, batteries, and medicine. Of course, we'll be out here all day bringing you updates of preparations ahead of Helene's arrival. In Apalachicola, I'm Danny Travis reporting.